Alright, so right now I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful website hero section, and all you need is to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you step by step on how it is done. Alright, so let us go. Okay, alright, so the first thing to do is to create this background. Alright, and for us to create this background, come over here, drag in the container. Alright, so let us increase the height. Right, so this is okay. So we have to create this background to this color. So this is a gradient color. So come to style. So our background type, click on gradient. Then the gradient type, change it to radial. Alright, so this color, we have to change it. Okay, so this is the color code, and for this other color we need something deep like this. So come over here, right? So yeah, so this is exactly what we want. So as you can see, it is the same with this. So the next thing for us to do right now is to create this text, this bed text. Alright, so and for us to do that, we have to drag in another container. Alright, so this is another container. So the next thing for us to do right now is to align this container to the middle, just the way we have it here. So and for us to do that, click on the mother's container. So you can actually click on the layers. So this is the mother's container. Yeah. Alright, so come to layout, then justify icon, click on center. So we have it at the center. So the first thing to do right now is to create this text. And for us to create that text, come over here, drag in heading. So change it to H1, change the heading text. So we have bed. Alright, so let us change the color. Let us change it to white. So it is now in white. Let us align it to the middle. Yeah, so it's now in the center. So we want something bold and big. So for us to do that, come to typography. Let us change the text. Let us change it to Poppins. Alright, so the size, let us increase the size. So we want it to be big, just like this. Right, so come here, let us make use of 320. Alright, so this is exactly what we want. So the next thing to do right now is to create this text, let me fly in peace. Alright, so what we are going to do right now, come back to add elements, drag in another heading. Alright, so this is what we have. So firstly, let us change the text. So we have let me fly in peace. Alright, so let me fly in peace. So we need to align it to the middle, just like this. So come to style, align it to the middle. Then let us change the color. Let us change it to white. Alright, so this is what we have right now. So you can see that the space between this is too much, and right here it is rightly below it. So this is what we have to do. So we are going to make use of padding. So come to advanced, delink it, then padding. So minus, okay. Okay, so we give it minus 118. Alright, but we still want it to stretch from here to here, just like we have it here. So for us to do that, come here, come to style, click on typography, then drag it down, then word spacing. Okay, let's just make use of 109. Okay, alright, so it is looking perfectly. So this is what we have right now. Let's fly in peace, just the way we have it here. So the next thing for us to do right now is to put in the image of this build. Alright, so come back, click on add elements, then drag in this image. Alright, so this is what we have right now. So come over here, so you're going to choose your image. Alright, so this image, check the description, you will see the link to download this image. Alright, so this is what we have right now, but it is actually looking scattered. Alright, so this is what we have here. We have the bed on top of the text. So this is what we are going to do. Come over to advanced, then change it from default to full width, then position, change it to absolute. Alright, so this is what we have right now. So as you can see, it is looking totally different. So just adjust the image of this bed so that it will fit in. Okay, come over here, so make sure that you are working on this image. So for you to know that you are actually working on this image, you can click on your layers. This is the structures, then you can see that you are working on the image. So drag it down, so come to transform, then come to scale. So right here you can reduce the image. Right, okay, so this is enough. So right now we want this image to be here, just like we have it here. So we want to align the image to the middle. So this is what you will do. Come to transform, then come to offset. So we are going to make use of this. Alright, so as you can see, so you can adjust it anyhow you want it. So this is what we have right now. Alright, so as you can see, it is looking perfectly. So you can actually adjust it anyhow you want it. So if you want to enlarge the image, come back to scale, then you can enlarge it. So and if you want to reduce it, you can reduce it. So if you want to enlarge it, you can enlarge it. Alright, so you can see that the image is on top this text, let me fly in peace. So we want this text to be on top of the bed image. So this is what we are going to do. Come to structure, so this heading 2. So right now we are working on this, so we want to bring it on top. So come to advanced, then index. Alright, so 2, so you can say it is now on top of it. So right now it is looking perfectly. We have achieved what we want. So this is how to create it. You can actually adjust it and do whatsoever you want to do with it. So this is how it is done. The next thing to do right now is to make it responsive on all devices. So come here. So for the tablet, so let us make it responsive. So the first thing to do right now, come to the structures, then we have this heading, alright, which is this bed. So come to style, come to typography, so let us reduce it. Alright, so I think this is better, or let us make it 220. Okay, I think this is better. So the next thing, let me fly in peace, which is this. Let us reduce it as well. Come here, typography, so the size, okay, alright, so let us change the margin for it to come below this text. So come to advanced, right, delink it, alright, so let us give it minus, okay, alright, so it is okay like this, minus 88. So the next thing to do, come to style, typography, then word spacing, yeah, so it is okay like that. Alright, so the word spacing 4.5. alright, so the next thing to do right now is to adjust the image of this bed. Alright, so come here, alright, so cut to advanced, then you go to offsets, then transform, then offsets. Alright, so we have this, so let us bring it to the middle. Alright, okay, so the next thing to do right now is to reduce the image. So come to scale, alright, so now you can see that it is looking perfectly on tablet device. But let us look at the mobile. So let us adjust it as well. So the first thing to do right now is to reduce the text. Come here, so for the bed, so come to style, typography, alright, so okay, so the next thing is to adjust the subheading. Let me fly in peace, so come here, alright, so let us reduce the text as well. Come to typography, the size, alright, so this is what we have. So come to advanced, let us link it, alright, so let us give it the margin minus, okay, so as you can see that this thing is not visible enough. So this is what we can actually do, but firstly let us reduce the word spacing. Alright, so let us reduce the word spacing. Come back to typography, then we can actually increase the size. Alright, so let us increase the word spacing. Alright, so the next thing to do right now is to align this bed to the middle. So click here. Alright, so come to advanced, then transform, offset, red 2. Okay, so this is what we have. So right now, let us align it to the middle. Okay, so we need to increase the image. So come to scale. So increase the image. Okay, yeah, so you can see that it is now looking perfectly on mobile device. Yeah, so you can adjust it to your preference. Alright, so it is looking perfectly on mobile device.